Good day to everyone who is watching this informative program about chemistry that we would like to call it Chemistry, Our Progress. Today our topics are the contribution of chemistry in medicine, application of chemistry in food, chemistry in warfare, chemistry and global warming, and the best three possible solutions for solving the problem of the melting polar ice caps that affects weather in Mexico. For this program, I have with me my teammates, Isael, Uriel, David, and myself, Raimundo. First of all, have you ever known about the terms global warming or the greenhouse effect? These terms are part of the consequences of the pollution related with the gases that we expel into the atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is the result of the excess of the daily gases that the humans and the same nature expel into the atmosphere, causing that the gas particles are covering all around the ozone layer, making the ultraviolet rays that enter into the air to be kept inside the ozone layer, making an important change in Earth's atmosphere. The ultraviolet rays increases weather's temperature, but in the poles, these weathers may affect the polar ice caps by melting from them. So that makes another change in the other countries' weather by generating a cold weather. This is what we know as the effect from global warming. Okay, now we're having the next explanation from my teammate Isael.
Hello people, I'm going to talk about the contributions of chemistry in medicine. A drug can only do its intended job of treating a symptom or fighting a disease if it gets to the right place in the body to do its job. That's where chemistry plays such a big role, in tweaking molecules to interact appropriately with the body. A lot of the most important medical progress in recent history has come from the development of powerful antibiotics and vaccines to treat infectious diseases caused by bacteria, viruses, and parasites. But those breakthroughs have come with a cost. Microorganisms have learned how to fight back, and with a vengeance. For example, several scientists discovered that certain chemicals can be used as anesthetics, making it possible to perform a surgery without pain. The earliest experiments with anesthetic agents, nitrous oxide and sulfuric ether, are performed mainly by the 19th century. Chemistry is an area of research that focuses on designing and making drugs of all sorts. The first step in this process is identifying new molecules. Years ago, medical chemists spent most of their time isolating interesting molecules from living organisms, mainly plants. Today, however, chemists working in this area are equally concerned with finding good ways to make these molecules in the lab. Medicinal chemists also work the best way to deliver the new drug, as a capsule, tablet, aerosol, or injection. Identifying a molecule with a specific medicinal effect, like lowering cholesterol or killing only tuberculosis bacteria, takes time and patience, but a strategy called combination chemistry can help a lot. In this process, chemists create and then sift through immense collections or libraries of molecules. The newly identified molecules or leads are then tested for their usefulness in treating disease in animals and people. So I think that without chemistry we wouldn't find the anesthetics, and that's why chemistry is excellent. Thank you for your attention.
Thanks you, Isael. Now it's David's turn.
Hi, I am David and I will talk to you about chemical warfare. Chemical warfare is war in which chemical substances or other explosives are used as weapons. A chemical weapon uses a manufactured chemical to harm or kill people. In addition to having potentially horrific effects, they are cheaper and easier to deliver than nuclear weapons. Modern chemical weapons include some types of agents like choking agents, blister agents, and nerve agents. The activity of the chemical agents depends on its concentration. It means that below a certain
Finally, our last teammate, Uriel.
Chemistry is used for many things in food industry, from produce bigger and more food, give more taste to the food, or make cheaper its production and delay the composition of it. Science chemistry engages in the composition, properties, and reactions in matter, especially elements. It can help food industry to create substances to change the properties of food or to make cheaper its production. These substances like dyes and flavoring may cause diseases to people like ulcer, allergies, gastritis, among others. The invention of synthetic substances like sorbic acid, benzoic acid, and sulfur dioxide has helped to make possible the preserve of food by more time than in the past. Chemistry plays an important role in the production of food, making fertilizers without chemical compounds or side like phosphoric acid to increase fertility of soil, or pesticides to reduce the loss by pests. Three possible solutions to solve the problem of the melting of polar ice caps. Number 1. Reduce flaring of fossil fuels and search other alternatives to obtain energy, like sunlight energy or wind power. Number 2. Use different technologies of today like electric cars or hybrid cars. Number 3. Many scientists believe that stop eating meat will be the most significant change because the meat industry is the most pollutant industry.
Thank you for watching this informative program. This was Chemistry, Our Progress. See you later.